And now, ladies and gentlemen, we request everyone that's all rise, please. As we welcome the reason why we are here, ladies and gentlemen. Celebrating her 50th birthday celebration. Let's give a round of applause to Lily Ann S. Go together with her partner, Samson F. Go! Palakpakan! Everybody for the party! Hey, 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 hey! Yan naman yung mga kamay dyan! Hey, 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 hey! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Ma'am Lily Ann, the usual thing that we have to do, ma'am, before na to i-blow imong 25th birthday candle, dapat yung i-close imong mata and you have to make a wish. Parang taas ka ng wish ni Ma'am Lily. Joke naman. Whenever you're ready, Ma'am Lily. Ready? Ma'am, una-una mayo, mama. 25 na kakaroon. Blow. Palakpakan ba lang, people? Our birthday girl is now officially 25! Ayan. Ma'am Lily Ann,